Hello, this is Serge again with the SEWPRO USA YouTube channel, and I'm introducing another machine. We introduced this before, but this is basic setup without automation. This machine 8360B, this is what we call 360 machine. It's a post bed, but with a 360 device. It turns. It allows you to sew some very interesting, hard to get to things when you need to attach. You can sew into or away from, and you can turn as you sew. Right now I'm just going to show you some things. We set up with a size Tech 70 thread, a size 125 leather point needle, and I'm going to sew some leather, and we'll show you some close needle, stitch, how it looks. And right now I have set up the longest stitch. So this is what the longest stitch looks like. This is the top, and this is the back side. And now I'm going to turn to a very small stitch. Let's try like 5. And this is very, I don't know what if you need any smaller than this. This is very nice tight stitch for fine leather work, and this is how it looks in the back. Now I'm going to double this thickness. I'm going to put somewhere in the middle where you normally sew. I put the number 7, and I'll sew like 4 layers. And let me put the number 6. I think that would be more of a finer. Yeah, this is what I would be using most of the time for. So that's a variety of different stitch length on the leather. And this is the back side. So this machine has a bobbin winder. The one thing about this machine I want to mention, it's very important to know, because we're sewing on the right side of the hook, the needle we put opposite of standard style machines, and you thread the needle from right to the left, and you have very important part here. This part where the hook picks up, it goes away from the machine. Normally it goes towards inside the machine, but that's how you would put inside, and thread would go from right to the left. That's where a hook picks it up.